What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I feel like I say this every time, but today is going to be a big video. We're going to be finally widebodying the BRZ. So I've already gone ahead and sort of mocked up the BRZ with tape. It's looking pretty good. I chose the Rallybacker V2 kit, and I think it suits the car really well. I wanted the Pandem Rocket Bunny V3 kit, but I'm not running any turbos or superchargers, so the front area would look very weird. Sort of in that section right there, it kind of looked very empty, so I didn't like that. But I really like the Rallybacker V2 kit. I'm having trouble putting on this section right here because there is a OEM mud flap, mud guard thingy right here that I need to take off. But to get access to the clips, I have to take off the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So the clip I'm talking about are these two clips right there, and that hold up this sort of mud flap. Trying to get this off because the kit sits flush with here, but it doesn't, you know, this is in the way. I can't have that. What's in here? More metal, yeah. So I have to take this off, and I think those two clips, there's one under that I already took off. So I think there are a total of 3 clips, but we will find out in a short bit. And my car is on air suspension, so if you guys haven't seen that video already, I'll link it somewhere for you guys to watch. Yay! That's off. Don't need that. I'm pretty sure. We will see. You know what? An install is not complete without the help of Calvin, who was driving his brother's FRS. Oh, cool. Okay, alright, alright. Next one. How much protein do you have?
200 grams a day.
Oh my god. I don't even think I ate breakfast. Oh my god.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I got the kit on the car as you saw before, but we're gonna do a lot of putting the kit on, taking the kit off, and do a lot of measurements. So currently I have the rear side of the kit off, put some tape there, and that's where we're gonna be drilling the holes to put the kit on. But before we do any drilling or anything like that, I need to lower the strut collar of my car so I can get lower when I eventually cut the inside of the fender. So that's what we're doing right now. We're lowering the air suspension strut collar. At least that's what.
Watch this just come flying out.
Please don't make it fly out.
What the?
Dude, that looks so good. Oh my god. Just look at it calm down.
I'm gonna close it all.
Oh.
I'm doing it.
Okay, do it. Does it look weird though? It's close up? Like,
No.
no, you don't think so? That weird light?
Damn.
Dude.
Wow.
So as you guys can see, I've put tape on the body of the car, prepping it to drill into the car. But unfortunately, last night I ran out of tape, so I got a new roll right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the front driver's side of the car. Alright guys, so we put the kit on and then we...
Alright,
You stole every time! I put Sharpie holes where I need to drill for the screws in the kit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and drill.
What if I mess up, man?
I don't even know how far I need to go.
Just to the point that it gets in there. Dude, your white balance is hella off.
What the hell?
Nope, it's stuck.
Woo! Let's go! First hole cut! First hole drilled.
Alright, I'm editing this part.
He's scary, man. Alright guys, so we got that first hole drilled. Now we just have to go ahead and drill 6 other holes for this fender piece right here. And then we're gonna repeat the same process for all the other pieces. On paper, it's really easy, but in the heart, it hurts drilling into the car. Especially because this panel you can't replace, it's all one piece. Whereas the front fenders you can replace, you can just buy a new one, but this one you can't. So yeah, but everything can be fixed, right Brandon?
No.
Like your wheels, like your setup, everything can be fixed. Like your fitment, everything can be fixed.
Don't worry, that will be coming soon. Just link to
Are you gonna plug yourself? I swear if you plug yourself again. Don't do it. Okay.
The link will be in the description below.
God.
And it's gonna be like
I'm not gonna edit that.
Right there.
I'm not gonna.
Right there. Yeah, right there.
You're a pain. You know that? You're a pain. Okay, I'm gonna do that to your videos too.
Alright, it's gonna be right here again.
Stop it!
Fucking do this.
First bit in. Okay, now I'm gonna do 7 more because there's 8 of them on this fender. So let's go do that now.
Dope.
More drilling. Where's that pouch? Hold.
Okay, I'm right here.
I got hands too.
You'll be the dad and I'll be the kid with the flashlight.
You see those memes?
Oh yeah. Alright, done. Time to cut.
What? Not even close yet. Actually, we're pretty close.
Yeah, you're pretty good.
Oh man, look at that. The whole kit's on. Got them bolts. Some parts are still held on by tape, like the bottom part. I still need to figure out where to drill holes for that. But the main pieces like the front and the back are on. The front bumper is on too. A little bit dark out, but she's looking really good. She's looking really good, man. Alright guys, I will tell you, I did make one big mistake after drilling the holes in the car. Basically, when I put this piece on, I felt like it wasn't fitting flush on the top part, but I just I didn't think that big of it, because you know it's fiberglass and it's not 100%. So I just drilled the holes, didn't think much of it, and then when I took it off and reached my hand under here, I found this clip, which means that the body kit was hitting against the clip here. So that's what was not letting it push up towards this part. So as long as this part is lined up, I should be fine. I can just move these holes up a little bit. And I'm going to be doing rubber well nuts, so the holes are going to be bigger anyways, but that's just a little bit bummed out just right now. As of right now, it's not perfect, but it can be fixed. It's no problem. Alright guys, so we lowered the shock tower of the airlift struts to make sure that the car can actually sit low when it is fully aired out. I've already gone ahead and taped up the side for where I need to cut. So one problem that we ran into was there is a plastic clip right there. Right there. That plastic clip was into the wall, and when I compressed the bags actually hit the plastic clip. So we don't want that because it could pop the bag in the future. So it's really easy. You just get needle nose pliers to grab onto them and just pull them out. Really easy. So yeah, just got the wheel off, and then now we're gonna start cutting along this line and all the way back.
Alright, what is up guys? We're back with another how to cut fenders tutorial.
You're like branded.
Oh, anyways, we're just about to cut. If you didn't know me, I'm Jared's work slave. He makes me do everything without any compensation whatsoever. And I'm forced to live here.
This is not true.
No, it's great. We've had a lot of fun with this project, and hopefully it'll turn out with our first cut. But if not, take a look at this. Genius idea. We have several lines to follow, so we can adjust as necessary and possible cutting routes. In other news, cable management is not a thing with Jared. He's just, yeah, it's not great. So that's my next project because I'm his work slave.
That's not.
Yeah. It's pretty great, so get hyped. Yerba Mate, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. I love you so much. It's just the best thing ever. Oh, dang! Looking good.
Fogging up my glasses.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting me see.